Hey, we're live. Welcome
Yeah,
to Trading with the Boys.
Good morning.
Shocked emoji, shocked emoji, shocked emoji. Friday the 13th. Nothing like it.
Yeah, I figured I'd put the emojis in the title.
Oh my
Eye
God.
grabber. Apparently, more people are prone to click on a video if it has emojis in it.
There's the Valheim fella. Good question, actually. I don't know.
Nimkins, yeah, Nimkins had said he was out of tune with the charts for a little while. Dave, are you already in a trade or something? Like, why are you celebrating right now?
Just took a quick short because I had to
Oh
get
my
back
God.
to break. I'm up $3.
All right. Yeah, Nimkins has been taking a break from trading. End of year. He said he'll be back after the new year. So, yes. Good morning, Phoenix. Good morning, Ethan. Good morning, Porch. Daniel. I don't need to say hi to Palm and Old Man. We've already said our hellos. Martin, welcome. Welcome back, guys.
All right,
Welcome
now
back,
to
chat.
trade.
Welcome back,
Welcome.
Palm.
He
Welcome
was
back,
asking
Dave.
me about whether to buy Alani or Celsius.
Just a
I
Marion
was
breakfast.
advising him.
Alani and Celsius.
Yeah, you got a Christmas mug? That's pretty sweet.
I got a crisp. Listen, Old Man Trading just does straight up caffeine. Not even
Yeah.
or anything, just
That's
black
fair.
coffee.
That's fair.
Turn Palm up a bit on OBS.
Oh,
What do you mean?
so it is quiet. I'm
Yeah,
trying
a
to sit
little bit.
closer to the mic too.
He's loud.
Chat, for reference, I got a new mic and we're just trying to figure out how to work this thing.
Mason, the guest audio is nearly peaking on OBS. You got to remember that both Dave and Palmetto are on the same audio feed.
Oh, so it's uneven.
Am I sounding all right then?
Yeah. You guys are...
Okay.
Huh. I can't sit much closer is the thing. It's pretty, I can barely type on my keyboard right now because the mic's in the way.
Oh wow.
OBS is a liar. You got to spell liar accurately, Mason, by the way.
Relentless display. Oh my
Oh
God.
my gosh, that's too good. All right, well, I posted what my execution plan is. Okay, that sounded all right. I'm sure. That's
Wow.
funny. Wow.
Chat,
People
is
coming
mine-
with the heat. Dang.
Chat, two questions actually. One, is my volume okay? Like, is Mason just bugging and it's okay and we're good and the OBS is not lying? And then two, does the quality sound better? That's the whole reason I got the mic, is so that I don't.
You sound better in my ears, but I also have you turned up on Discord.
Palm is
Yeah,
a
I have
little
you turned
wrong.
up,
Yeah,
too.
I can't. There's not much I can do about this other than
Thank you.
Alright guys, so we'll be doing
Yeah,
some
yeah.
ASMR today.
There you go. That's it.
ASMR with the markets.
Yes, yes, yes,
One
yes.
unit counts, trading below my bear zone currently, bouncing off the 80s.
Just some more relaxing sounds.
it's too low to judge the quality. Okay, I don't really know what to do about that then. I have
ki-
it, like, the
what kind of
mic?
mic-
is maxed.
What kind of mic did you get?
Turn this part up, I guess. Audio Pro X5 or something.
Audio Pro X5.
It just
know-
went on Amazon, found a mic on sale, and was like, yeah, this looks good.
Morning, Kev. I use, for audio mixing, I use an application right now because I don't have like a Go XLR or anything like that to adjust sound remotely. I use SteelSeries Sonar app for all the audio console. You might want to look into it. You can mess around with all your mic settings and everything through that. Obviously, after the stream, don't do it right now. But
Yeah, no, I was gonna write it down. Would you say SteelSeries?
yeah, SteelSeries Sonar.
Got it. Thank you.
All right, market's about to open here in another minute or so.
Yo, my Rams money line paid yesterday.
Yeah, what a boring game that was.
Yeah, field goal after field goal.
My goodness.
No, I'm in my fantasy league playoffs and I had Devo, and what he missed that, I think, was a touchdown pass or something. Would have helped me out.
Oh, he did. I watched the first quarter and then turned it off.
Oh, it was bad. Kev, what is the play today? Jeez, what's the play today, guys? Long and strong.
Well, I
Make
posted
money.
mine. I mean, mine is like, as usual, going to be short, sniper type execution, but I'm going to look for, on the upside, I'm going to look for the typical red candle, green close above it, goes up, come back, retest it, go up. On the other side, I've got a 15-minute where I wrote this on the execution. I'm going to look for it to close below, actually with this 15-minute, it's got to close below 787 and then come down, retest it to go back down. That's all I'm looking for. I have no directional. All-time highs I can't do.
Wait, did I post my trade plan?
Did you write a trading plan?
Yeah, I thought I... Yeah, I did. Okay, we're good. Yeah, give me a fire emoji. Excellent. I mean, it's pretty simple. Nothing crazy. It's just a picture of my chart, really.
I'd like to see a pullback into prior all-time highs at around 21,704, somewhere around there. And then if that holds as support, I'd like a long. I hope we don't just rip higher. I kind of want to see a pullback. So I'm going to be patient. I know Dave's not going to be patient, but I'm going to be patient.
I'm going to try to be patient.
Same here, Wes. After yesterday, I need to be very patient. I think I took like 15 trades yesterday, which is extremely high for me.
I was probably somewhere around there, Palm. I was probably somewhere around there. I ended up losing $300 yesterday.
Yeah. So I've got some disgusting parlays.
Oh, jeez.
I've got Burrow to go for 300 plus passing yards, and then I want the Titans to go under 20.5 and the Bengals to score over 20.5. So that's my line. And then I've got the Jaguars to go under 26.5 points, Jets to go over 26.5, Aaron Rodgers to go 250 plus passing. And I've got Josh Allen to rush 40, Detroit to go over 28.5, Bills to go over 28.5, Josh Allen anytime touchdown scorer. I've got Jared Goff for 275 passing with over 67.5 total points in the game. And I've got Bills to win by 7 to 12 points. Under 1.5.
There's your lost parlay right there. Right there. There's your lost parlay right there.
Yeah, we'll see.
My man's got like a 25 leg parlay over here.
Oh no, these are separate parlays.
Okay, I was like, how is all this supposed to hit?
No, yeah, these are all separates. And then I've got Detroit. I've got Detroit on making the first field goal. So I think this one actually has a decent chance. It's just an if on the Bills winning by 7 to 12.
Phoenix is saying mute him.
That is funny.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of spice. A lot of sass here this morning. A lot of sass.
It's been a while since we've been on, boys. I mean, we're probably gonna catch some flyers today.
Wow.
Make sure my brackets are on.
I'm putting a parlay together.
That a penny makes you a millionaire. Yeah.
Dude. I mean, dead serious. Sanders, did you see the other ones I posted like last week or the week before? Yeah. I made some $1 to $250,000 parlays.
That's absurd. That's absurd.
That's funny.
The closest one of them got was 4 out of 8. Not bad. So I'll be running that parlay back this weekend as well.
So are we on the March contract now? Is that why there's that gap?
I'm still on the Z.
I'm still on Z until probably Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah, Monday probably is when it rolls over for me.
Because my charts are always on the continuous, so I never know when.
Oh, it just rolls.
Yeah, it just rolls, and it has a huge gap in price.
Yeah, no, I'm on the Z. I'm on Top Step X. They just roll you automatically.
But typically, Quantower sends out this little notification saying it's rollover. Would you like to roll your charts?
Martin's right by that, by the way. That Avgo did cause the gap.
Yeah, Z still has like 6 times the volume.
And that was what mostly invested in that Avgo there.
What a crook.
It's Friday the 13th today, man. All right, let's
Yeah,
go.
Martin,
What a crook.
Martin, that's my thought. Is like
I
I'm
love it.
part of the reason I'm even putting money on the games is because I don't have any of the streaming services to watch NFL. So I just put like $1 on DraftKings and then I can watch it through DraftKings. Easy money, easy hack.
Easy money.
Oh, you'll definitely be watching the Bills Lions Sunday
Yeah,
afternoon.
100%. Yeah. No, I'm saying I don't have any of the streaming services though, so I can't watch it unless I put a bet on, and then I can watch it through DraftKings.
Oh, that's wild. DraftKings allows you to watch it through their app.
If you have a bet on the game, yeah.
Wow.
It's not a good stream. Like it freezes and it's lower quality, but I mean, I don't care. I'm just there to see Josh Allen put the cape on.
Man, his fantasy points last week were ridiculous. 50 some odd points.
Nutty. He's just an
Crazy.
animal.
So my family, we do a fantasy football league between all of my family, my sisters and nieces and nephews. So we're in playoff this week now. I squeaked into the playoffs, limped into it. So
Nice.
my niece, two of my nieces are just killing it this year. So
I'm about sick of watching your Chiefs get lucky as can be every single week.
what is that?
It's ridiculous. I'm so tired of it.
I'm sorry. I have to agree.
It's awful. It is awful.
There's the last two games they never should have won. It's unbelievable. I mean,
They
Doink's
won
off
because
the-
Andy. Oh my god, yeah, I saw that. Andy's just a great coach.
Yeah, well,
Well, they get the refs
you're a great coach
to
when you have Patrick Mahomes.
they get the refs to circle jerk for 10 minutes and change calls for him at the end of games.
Look at these zebras getting together.
Oh
my
my.
god,
Like,
the rogue zebra.
This is an edgier. I love this. This is like
It's
an edge
ridiculous.
stream now. This is an edgier stream.
It's
I love it.
ridiculous.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
How can we make this so the Chiefs win? How can we do this?
I mean,
Let's
honestly,
convene
again,
here and we'll change from false start to illegal procedure, and then that will be a dead ball foul that they can, or in play foul that they can refuse and decline, and that'll turn the ball over.
that
Like,
was
so
crazy.
so
Honestly, that was
dumb.
crazy because they whistled it dead. That, as
It's
a
so
Chiefs fan,
dumb.
I can't even defend it. It's
So dumb.
Ridiculous.
I ever sent you that video? It's like a voice dub over of a Chiefs game, and the announcers, the voice dub, are like, "All right, let's see what the great and mighty Patrick Mahomes does here." He just like hands the ball off. They're like, "Superb technique from Patrick Mahomes." Oh, there's a flag on the play. Let's check the flag on the play. Violation of Patrick Mahomes' personal bubble. That'll be first down. Touchdown.
Yeah.
Just give him 50 points. That had me crying.
That's pretty funny.
Oh man. Okay, enough with this pump action. Like, let's.
We're almost at overnight highs.
I hate to say it, but I
Yeah.
got in long at 8:21 and then I got out at 8:31. I wish I had hung on to it.
Of course you were.
But I was not going to interrupt an edgy stream. I love it.
Just
I
so-
would like, I mean, normal procedure, like either a nice wick and reclaim of overnight highs or a nice break and retest. I'm not picky. I
Yeah,
just,
I'm not.
after
is-
yesterday, I just like need to force myself to be patient for some sort of actual setup.
My fear is we break, retest, and slow grind
Slow
all
down.
the way up to 22K today. That's
Yeah, I
my
think
biggest
22K
fear.
can be in the picture. I mean, I admit I caught a falling knife there. I'm done with that now. This last word.
I would like 820 here if point of control wasn't 9 points lower.
I'm just not going to take a long here. I
No.
need a pullback.
There.
Let me see what
Oh yes, my
YM's doing.
payout got denied.
Who
Sorry.
did?
Yeah.
I requested my first payout from Apex. It got denied though because I lost money yesterday because I went back below the safety net threshold. So I could have not traded and it maybe would have gotten approved. I don't know.
They would have come up with another reason to not give you your
Maybe.
$500.
Maybe we'll see.
What's YM doing here?
It says it's launching. And it
YM's
did. for a
at
little
least
bit there.
reasonable. I haven't adjusted these levels on YM in a while.
Oh, here we go. This could be all-time highs again. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. I think it's gonna be over. Again. There were some nasty wicks yesterday.
Yeah.
Like I saw you post somewhere. I can't remember if it was here or in another Discord palm. There was just no follow through.
Yeah, dude. The amount of trades that I had that went like 7-8 points in the money and then immediately came back was disgusting.
Yeah, it was brutal.
I mean, we're gonna run these
All right.
highs.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so.
Watch us chop this zone, this 20-point range for the next
That
hour.
would be crazy. It would be fitting too, but it would be crazy.
I do have levels above, guys, that I've mapped out just so you guys can see them. I'm looking at 900 to 920. I'm looking at 960 to 980 as well. And then I've got one above 22K at 22,030 to 22,050.
Just barely popped the overnight high there.
Yeah, that looks a little sketchy for longs, in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going to touch right here. I cannot trade this level.
Good, Ollie. How are you
at
doing?
all-time highs. Hey, Ollie.
Handsome gentleman.
Who's he talking about? Nimkins isn't on here today. What is he talking about?
Yeah, Nim's been eerily quiet.
He also said he was busy with like end of year photography stuff though, right?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, he wants to stay retired, apparently.
I don't blame him.
Well,
Stay retired, hop on and trading with the boys every Friday. What a life.
nothing wrong with that.
He said he'll be back in the new year.
Cool. All right, at this point, we're getting far enough away from the overnight highs that I would definitely be interested in a retest.
Yeah. Well, I wish I'd have held on to that other one, famous last words.
I'm gonna throw this order on.
You
here.
know, that would have
Just
taken
see
me
what
out of my
happens.
break even, so I'm good with that.
I mean, we're doing exactly what I didn't want us to do here.
Yeah, this is just a huge.
Say,
Santa
we haven't
middle
started
finger.
slow grinding yet. As of right now, we're fast grinding.
That's a healthy 15-minute candle. Getting healthier. Gee, knees.
Gee, my knees. She's my knees.
It's the bee's knees. Hell. I don't know where that comes from.
Yeah, Ollie, I'm with you. I despise all-time high trading.
Oh,
It's
just brutal. It's just brutal.
yeah, I don't. I mean, where's the entry in here? Where's the entry in here?
I mean, yeah. Well, I'm going to stick to my plan here.
Just straight ripping. Exactly what I didn't want to see, guys.
All right, we'll come back. I hope.
I was about to say, you sure about that, Palm? You sure about that? Or do we do what we did yesterday where we pump at the beginning and then just chop? And CPI did that as well. It was just like
Oh
up
my God, I really
and
checked
chop.
those. Do we have news?
No.
No.
Favorite thing.
Next week's kind of next week we have FOMC.
December
Look at this.
16th.
You know,
9:45.
this is getting ready for FOMC and a rug pull. If this is what this is doing.
Yeah, motivation.
Wow,
that's
this
what it's been every day. You just hit the buy
Same.
button at the open, and walk away. I guess I don't,
Yeah.
just
Say
walk
the
away.
M word that we need to hear it. Say the M word.
I know.
Manipulation.
Yep, there it is.
I decided one of these streams, Dave, whenever I do it, but either that or one of the journals that I film, I'm going to put not ICT in the title somewhere, and just see how well the video does. See if people tune into it.
Feels like a lot of people are taking dumber off. Oh, yeah.
That was quite the rip.
Yep.
What it was.
I mean,
Overnight
80.
highs plus.
I mean, let's see here. Opening candle, we opened at 795.
Yep.
So 15 minutes, 100 points up.
Yeah, it's pretty aggressive. Still going.
And still going.
Yeah, still going. 2200. Here we come. 22,000, whatever you want to say. Here we come.
I might try a 1 micro short from 920 when we get there.
And the market makers are watching. Watch out when you do that.
It's a micro. I'm not too concerned about it. Definitely not putting a mini on up here.
Which I like it.
Thinking the other day in the shower of a Robbins Cup strategy. If I ever did the Robbins Cup, I would just start it the first trading day of the year and just put 1 micro on and then just hold that one
Long.
micro the entire year. Yeah.
Can you, in the Robbins, can you hold overnight?
I'm not sure. That was the only thing I wasn't.
Because your
100%
margin, I don't know what they have for margin requirements, but you start with what, 10 grand?
Yeah,
Yeah.
10 grand.
10 grand of your own money?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
With insane commissions.
Yeah, but
No.
I'm not trading. I'm just buying 1 micro. I'm not.
Oh, that's true. I don't understand why people
I'm gonna become
feel
an
the need to
investor,
do
as they say. No, I was kidding. This is like I have zero intention of doing the Robbins. This was like
Just-
an if scenario.
Just follow Unusual Wells on Twitter, and as they do the Pelosi
Yeah.
stock tracker and the inverse Kramer as well, and they're up like 30-40% on the year or something just by
Is
following
she-
those trades.
Is she still insider trading even out of Congress?
Was she out? I thought she was still in.
No, she's out of Congress. She's been out of Congress for a while.
Oh, okay. I thought, okay.
She's a crook.
Well, then
She
she's
is.
still doing it though.
That's crazy.
But the inverse Kramer too. I mean, they're both neck and neck for
That's hilarious.
how well they're doing.
Didn't Albu post something in the Discord with
No,
a
it-
chart showing the
Oh yes,
the performance of those two?
I think so. Yeah. All right, volume just flipped up to the highs here, at least for M and Q. I'm gonna leave an order at 90, see if it gets filled.
Wow, okay.
Oh, you're going for a long?
Yeah,
Oof.
if it gets filled, it kind of doesn't look like it will actually.
Oh, it didn't come down to get you.
Nope. Alright, we'll take that off.
Robert, without knowing the topic, I guess it was about Pelosi. Yes, 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 it was about Pelosi.
Balloon shot.
Dude, a rotation down to the overnight highs would look really good here.
Wouldn't it though?
Yeah.
I'm all in on that. Here comes the Pintel macro. Or
I will
algo.
be right back. I'm gonna go get my energy drink.
All right, I'm putting on a micro short. I know. Chat, my trade is down here in the bottom right hand.
Wow, I'd have thought we'd get another candle to go down on that one. Still might. A lot of wick. I see a trade on there. What was your entry?
92.5.
Yeah. This is crazy. Well, if we start to consolidate here, it's going to be nasty. But then 22,000's in sight. If we spend the next few minutes consolidating here, even the next hour.
Yep, that's why I'm going micro. Right there. I'm gonna let it breathe.
Well, we had expansion, or distribution as they call it.
Pretty rowdy. My original trade would have helped.
Yeah. Now if we get consolidation, we'll just expand and get up. It's gotta wait. This looks like it's going to consolidate.
These bad boys. These guys.
Ooh.
Nothing like 200 milligrams of
Anyway,
caffeine.
motivation. So you're in.
West is short. Is that what I see?
21.845. Yeah, West is short. Motivation, where'd you get in at? 3D today, not taking partial. He's going to wait till lunch or stuff out BE. I like that. Especially if you got in right at the open.
Wes, are you always trading micros on this account?
No.
Just
No,
on
I've just right now at the beginning.
Gotcha.
I'm not trying to blow the account in 2 days.
Understandable.
Agreed.
You can't trade if you don't have an account.
True that.
I've got RTH VWAP at 850. So heads up. Doesn't necessarily mean we'll get there, but if we can hold the low of this range at like 84, I actually don't hate that for a retest long.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they're coming down to overnight lows, you mean? Or highs then?
No, like right up where we are right now.
Oh,
884.
okay.
How we're
Yep.
holding the low of this range.
Yeah, I know, isn't that something?
I don't hate that for long. The risk makes sense at least, so like target point of control at 97.5.
157 on the ask here at 89.25. They filled part of it.
Filled long 84.
Yeah, I'm just chilling in this micro. Let it ride.
Let it ride, brother. Let it ride. I'm
I
short at
stopped out.
82.
That is unfortunate. That'll be a bottom tick stop out. Very good.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe, Dan. Maybe.
Yes is coming back down. Needs to get through 6,075 and we could have a nice little sell-off here on the NQ for the first time all week.
Yeah, I don't know, brother.
Yeah, this is why I put a micro on. so I can just let it breathe and not be too stressed about it.
All right, I was short 880 and got out at 870. We
Nice.
could have hung in there, but I don't trust anything longer than 10 points right now on the short side.
Are you using stop orders?
I
Or are
mark
you
it in.
marketing them?
I mark it in, and then of course, I have my stop loss and my take profit. Yeah, see, that's why. This is why I just 10 points, especially on a counter move like that.
This is another juicy looking long if I get filled. I'm filled. Stop at like 64. I mean, ideally, I'd like to see point of control, but that's kind of a, I don't know, that seems like a large ask, so I'm going to look for like 89-ish.
And I like us moving down, but not the way we're doing it. This is just designed to. I like your long though, Palm. I have to admit. I just don't know where you get in.
I already
there.
took one stop, so we'll see.
Yeah. I know. Where do you get in?
Yeah, record's not looking hot right now.
I mean, almost a no man's land, unless you did like West did, and just take the flyer up near the top and you set you're in a micro and you set it above all-time high.
Ghost up 6. Where do you begin because you're lost? Is this the right place to learn? Probably not trading with the boys.
I mean, on West's stream typically, but not with us. I mean, well, with Wes and with Palm, I would. I wouldn't follow my stuff.
But dude, you're a good trader. Give yourself more credit.
I just got to have a little bit more patience, Bill. Once I get that.
Ghost up trading with the boys is more like banter. I mean, we're trying to do good trading.
Banter,
there,
parlays, sports
yeah,
betting.
there might be. It's more of a hangout session than it is an educational content. I will say that.
We'll say I am up on the day. Not a lot, but I am up on the day. So up only $64 after a couple of hits and misses. I'll take it on a day like today right now.
Yeah, Ghost up. You're more than welcome.
The Discord.
Yeah, the Discord
Discord.
community. There's a link in the description below the video. There's a lot of educational content on there. It's a free Discord. You're more than welcome to sign up. There's traders in there every day, chatting, talking trade setups.
So it's really good. I mean, there's some. It's not. I mean, we have some fun, but there's some really good and differing views too on how to trade. It's not just like, this is the only way to trade. There's differing views in there. It's really good. People trade different strategies, and it's still good. And a lot of explanation of it.
I gotta restart my trading platform. My P&L just broke.
Okay, motivation. I like what you did there. Add in. I love that. I wish I could get better at that.
There's point of control.
Just beware of somebody named Palmetto.
What is
Why?
that?
What did I do?
And you talk about the Discord.
Is my P&L this? Oh my god, I have another tab.
I mean, you'll see different styles in there, like PDK or Kevin.
Difficulties.
He's got a system and he'll take heat forever, but he will come out on top. And Albu puts in some nice, really analysis. I mean, it's detailed, and it doesn't just include futures. It's what else affects futures. And Wes's levels are gold, in my opinion. I need to pay attention to it more, to be honest.
Okay,
I
that's strange.
And ICT, of course. He's the gold standard.
Oh yeah, forget that. All right, well my P&L on my platform just broke. Like it's not showing. It's just not showing a P&L.
Wow,
So
you're going to
I feel
violate.
like
You're going to violate a rule and not even know it now.
Yeah, honestly. So I have to do like the mental math of looking at my account balance from prior to current and see where I'm at. It's kind of whack.
This is
One mode
nasty.
wave.
This 5-minute candle is just nasty. Alert here.
Motivewave pushed out an update that updated their logo. Like I think that's all the update that they just pushed out did was just the logo change, and now my platform breaks. Good stuff.
Platform breaks.
We are at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, you Quantower guys would know about that.
Low blow, Palm. Low blow.
I know, right? Okay, we're in consolidation mode now. Here's where it's just going to take your account.
We'll see. We're putting in like a small higher low in the 1 minute right now. Kind of rounding out the 5 minute. It looks pretty pumpy, honestly. Like, I want to get long again.
Tell you,
But we also have View app right below, which makes
the
me
minute I go to the 1 minute, my brain just short circuits. I can't. even
Yes,
if-
sir.
Oh, look at this. This might-
Yes, sir.
I don't know. This is sketchy.
Did I catch the top, boys?
all the way back down.
Yes, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. This could
Alright,
be
here's
the
what we
rug
do.
pull.
Evan,
We take
reason
this
for
money.
short work is because I
and we
posted
make
screenshot curse on my long. That's the only reason you're short work. Credits due.
Listen, hear me out. We take the money Wes is making right now, and we make an 8-leg parlay or something.
What?
Hear me out.
Just hear me out. One time.
See, this
The
is
funniest thing
sketch.
I've seen with sports betting is when dudes will win like one parlay when the other like 55 have lost, and they'll immediately
Right.
just be like, "Yo, tap in, make money with me." That was literally one of my friends last weekend. I got a text from him. He's like, "Yo, tap in, bro, tap in. I got you."
Yeah, see, that was sketch.
every 5 points of movement, Dave's like, oh yeah, see this, yeah, see, change of opinion. Yeah, this is sketch.
Consolidating right here, bro. We're gonna go up.
We are. Just for reference, I have RTH View app at 858 right now, and we're kind of holding it above it, so it's not a terrible spot to get long if you are looking long. I just would like to see us actually trade it, but that might not even happen.
I mean, if we get down to 844, retest the overnight high.
Yeah, that's the ideal spot, I think.
That's the safe long.
So I'm down $10 after all my shenanigans.
That's break even.
Yeah.
I mean, that's break even. No, I'm holding mine. I think,
Well, it's a micro.
yeah, it's a micro. Like, I'm fine. I'm fine even it going above 22K technically, you know. I don't like that it's holding up, but ES is currently below a level that we need it to be below. As long as it holds below 6,075, I'm probably gonna hold this thing.
Yeah, Harsh, I did get
Right.
the Mac Mini. I love it. I got the base model one, like the lowest entry level model one, just because I was doing all the thinking and was like, I don't need anything specced out like crazy. Like, I'm not doing anything that's super intensive. The most I've done is like push the graphics card to like 90%, or the graphics integrated card, whatever it is, to 90% when I'm playing a video game. But even that is like Minecraft, which, for the record, I started playing Minecraft again, guys.
Wait, what?
Great game. But yeah, I would recommend it. I think I like it a lot.
Tell you what, ES is dumping.
Yeah.
And if it goes to take London lows, NQ's got a long way to go to do that, but ooh, watch out. Up there.
Harsh gets it. There's nothing more therapeutic than just like getting into a single player survival world and just punching some trees. Nothing better.
Punching some trees, he says.
Yeah, I mean that's how you got to get your start. You gotta punch the tree.
Okay, let's see what this candle does. This retraces this red candle all the way. Oof.
Bye, Fletcher. Have a good one.
Hey, see you, Fletcher. Oh, ES is trying to drag it down.
Yep.
We're
Fine
holding
with
up
it.
on our THV app right now. I'd like to see an actual test below that reclaims it though to get long.
Yep.
This is looking nice.
Yeah, nice short.
This is looking good. Love your short.
Nice short.
All right, I'm not letting this come all the way back on me at this point. I'll lock in $6.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Listen, I'm telling you, all it takes is $1. $1 to 250,000. Happen.
I'm almost up
Alright.
$100 on this trade. So this would technically, if I was in a minis, it would be $1,000 trade. I just wasn't willing to counter trend a mini right
Yeah,
out for my first trade.
I don't blame you at all. That's
I just took a quick 10-point short there, 859,
nice.
849, and I got out because we were getting close to a bounce point. It may blow through it, but I'm okay with taking the 10 points.
Yeah, no, we are close to a
251
bounce
on
point. This is nice.
Overnight highs.
This
Yeah,
is
double
nice.
Under
But if we
overnight
blow
highs.
through, I'm telling you, ES is just.
Yeah,
It's
ES,
gonna make. It's gonna take
ES
London
is,
lows.
ES is
London
nicking.
lows.
I mean, I expect a
yeah.
bounce here at 840,
Let's see what happens here.
up to maybe 860.
I mean, I'm up almost my goal. Well, I'm pretty much up 250, so I have a daily goal as a minimum. See what's out
Phoenix,
there.
if it was a mini, I would have been stopped out. Oh, that facts. Facts.
Facts.
Facts.
Dave, if you're up your target, like, there's no reason to keep trading.
Oh, I'm kind of like this, and unless I see something just too juicy, this is where I'm at.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look, yeah, boy, if I had held, but I don't. You know what? Every time I say that, it runs right against me, so I'm good.
Wes with the banger short today.
No, man, Wes. What's that micro paying you right now?
$110.
It's so amazing on one.
$120.
Wow.
Thanks, DJ. Yeah, this was yes, sir.
Look at this go. Is this 100 point?
Where's Goose when you need him with the 1 MNQ?
Look at that short. Man's a genius.
There's Nimkins.
Nims.
Your favorite trader isn't on? That's by choice, Nims. That's by your choice. All right, so this is where I got to start watching, though.
Yeah. So this is, what did ES do? See, ES took London lows. NQ's got a mile to go just to get to London highs. So I don't know.
Wow, what a bid. What a bid.
Yeah, this is where I got to start watching.
If we can revisit 825, I'll take that long. Big if, though.
Should I lock in my winning trading day is the question.
I mean, if you're asking that, it's probably a yeah.
Yeah, if you're asking, where do you think it's going to go from here? Is what you got to ask yourself.
I gotta wait for another push down at this point. ES held where I didn't want it to hold at all.
I know that ES bounce point was. Look at it. Well, it took its target and it's moving back up. That's the reason I got short when I did. Is I saw ES still plowing through for London lows. I took the Nasdaq short. And yes, that's ICT jargon.
Whatever works for you.
Oh, I'm letting this come back on me way too far.
Which I do the same thing. I'll lock myself out. That's the only way I've proven to stay out of this stuff.
Oh yeah, I forget Toxic Deck has the X has the lockout feature.
Yeah, you can do it for 15 minutes. You can do it for the day.
Oh, I'm letting this come back on me way too far. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
dude.
but a 40-point bounce is just way too much.
Look at this. Look at it go right off of overnight on the 5 minute, right off of overnight highs.
We still
Touched
have
it.
RTH VWAP at 855. Just keep that in mind. That might be a potential pivot. That's what I'm looking at. I'm eyeing up the short. The fact that I'm eyeing up the short means what you might think.
100%.
Take at least $10. I mean,
Get me McDonald's facts.
tell you what, I'll move this
So
down to
what do
just
you
above 80. If it comes all the way up to 80, there's no reason for me to stay in this thing. And I just gave back a ton of money anyway, like over 50 bucks on micros. More than that, actually.
Wow.
Stupid
Very
buyers.
important question for you guys. Very important question.
I can put
Chick-fil-A or Popeye's chicken sandwich?
Chick-fil-A for sure.
I have
Chicken
never.
sandwich
I haven't
set
had
it
either.
up.
I've never had a Chick-fil-A or Popeyes.
Bro, come on,
You know,
dude.
it's-
This is ridiculous. These buyers are absurd, dude. Oh
Dave,
my.
I thought he was flipping on you at first. Timing
I
on
mean,
that was good.
A 50-point bounce, bro, in 2 minutes?
Yeah, that was aggressive. I didn't find an entry for any of this.
You know,
Yeah,
the
bro,
entry-
I'm out. I'm
the
done.
entry was the
I'm not
bounce
dealing with
off
this.
Overnight low, overnight high. That was the entry. Was the bounce. Off.
Yeah, they can go F themselves.
Yeah, this is a saucy stream now. I like this.
That's how my
Say
trading.
Saucy or sussy?
Saucy.
Saucy? Okay, I thought you said sussy. I was like, oh my god, Dave, where'd you hear this?
Honestly, sussy. I should have used actually.
Please don't. Dave's been playing Among Us.
Let the man cook.
To be up $150 and only take $50 there is really, really disappointing.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna follow your entries, Wes, but I'm not gonna follow your exits. Mock sauce with the boys. I love it.
Can you imagine if that was minis? I would be furious. I would be so furious. I'd be done. I would walk off the stream and let you guys handle the rest of it.
Nice.
Well, I think the stream would end because you would just be throwing your computer.
Look at this, dude.
God. Yeah,
Look at
we're
this.
going all the way back up. That's crazy. I mean, it was
It's all baseball.
to
I hate
be
that.
fair. To be fair, that 820 level was the original prior high of this kind of like consolidation range that we made the last 2 days. That was the original high, so it was a very key level. So it makes sense for buyers to defend that aggressively, but I will admit this is 820 to 880 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Defending this on thin air. I mean,
It is pretty aggressive.
honestly, though, to me, this was the manipulation down.
Oh god. And on that note, it's bathroom break time, boys. I'll be back.
Fair. If we get a retest of VWAP, I'm very interested here. But like 856 ish.
I mean, look at the 5 minute candle, the perfect bounce over overnight high on this 5 minute candle we're in right here. Just I mean,
Yeah, but like look how much excess is below the overnight high. How much risk do you have to give that trade 20 points?
oh, a ton. I mean, but I'd only give it like 5 or 10 because I would know right away that I'm out of it. So, that it's not so much what's below where you got to give it the risk. It's like, look, if I believe that it's going to bounce off of this level, then it's going to bounce off this level. If it doesn't, I'm only giving it 5 points down. So
Yeah, my thing with that is like you can give it 5 points and it'll stop you out, and the trade idea isn't
What?
proven wrong yet, if that makes sense.
it makes total sense. Makes total sense. That's why I have a lot of trades though, because I'll have a lot of these small lot, and I do get paper cut a lot, but then or break evens. So
Speaking of what you're saying, I'm gonna take the VWAP bounce if we get it. I'm gonna tighten the stop though to 6 points, and then just look for like the 12 point
See what
rotation
happens,
up.
yeah.
Oh my god, they missed me by a tick. Excellent.
And you still might have a chance.
Alright,
Here it
I'm
comes.
filled. Yeah, I'm filled on all of them.
Yeah,
See if
I mean,
we do outbound space.
If West comes back to come back and it's back down again, oh my god, the stream's ending violently.
Alright, I'm gonna move that break even. We got a little bit of a push off.
Dude, I love it.
See that rotate higher?
It's risk free now. Beautiful.
It is. I could have taken 10 there, I guess. I didn't realize I got 10 in the first place.
I think you'll get more. I think you're going to get more. I mean, if you only want 10, take 10. I don't know if you're up or down or
No,
on
I
the day.
just closed it. There's too much struggle right at like 63 for me to want to stay in. I just closed it.
That was good though. That was quick, nice little no drawdown, right?
Yeah, no drawdown. It's always nice.
Oh man, good choice. Nice job.
Thanks. Gotta work.
All
back
right,
my
we
loss
back.
from yesterday somehow.
Look at it, Wes. It's coming back down.
Of course it is. Does just enough to take me out, and then I will have caught the top of the day.
Yeah, we're going to 0.
Oh, that would be amazing. Can you imagine one MNQ from the very top, 20,000 points down? All right, well, technically that couldn't happen, but
Why not?
they put breakers in place to eliminate that,
Yeah,
the possibility of that.
I forgot. The old flash crash got him. Alright, we just held VWAP again, so
I was Porch. I mean, I don't want him to get too comfortable in case he needs to. in case he needs to throw something.
I know, Dave. I know Dave just likes to make me feel as bad as possible about my exit. Dave's a bully. Yeah, I mean he's got to bully somebody. Nims isn't here today.
That's right. There is. Oh yeah, Nims popped into the stream.
Nims popped into the stream.
Yeah, he was earlier. I don't know if he still is.
Oh, I thought you meant he popped in while I was on my bathroom break, like chimed into the voice chat.
Oh, I would actually.
that'd be fun.
That would have been his MO.
I went and looked at the stream waiting room to see if he was sitting there waiting when we were talking about that.
Oh, that's right. You blocked out interlopers.
Yeah, he can't just sabotage the stream. We might be entering a little consolidation area here, guys.
I'm very curious to
that
see
15
what
minutes ago.
happens off of RTH view out here.
You
Usually
said
when we start
you said consolidation up around 900. we are much below that.
Yeah, there's this leak through.
Oh, look at this, Wes. Why'd you get out?
Shut your mouth.
Yeah, they brought the salt.
My gosh, man.
Alright, there's still more opportunities. You'll find something.
Phoenix,
Don't.
you said 427 things since we started the stream, Dave. I know. I don't know how he does it, Phoenix. I don't know how he. And all were correct in their moment. I don't know how he does it. It feels like heart attack trading is what it feels like. Like take your anxiety medication and.
It's so good. This is blowing through. This is gonna blow through.
Yeah, we're back. Where we
I
were
like
last.
the shorts.
Yeah.
We still have to take out this prior low, swing low at 820, 819, 818, whatever this is, before it starts to really look bad. But we are coming
Hey,
all
what?
the way back down, it seems.
I'll be interested in shorts if it can break below 794.
Palm, where did
Yeah,
you
very
say your
low
RTH POC was?
My RTH POC is up at 897 ish, something like that. I have my
Mine's-
profile
mine's not
scaled.
there.
Mine's still around 810.
Yeah,
I'm
mine's
on
at 8.
MNQ
Mine's at
still,
818.
I'm on MNQ. Are you guys? Oh yeah.
Nah,
you are.
mine's on my NQ.
Okay.
I decided to go big or go home today. I'm on minis.
This is a massive distribution here.
Yeah, that's your. Is that a full session profile, like including Globex?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
By the way, motivation. Nothing wrong with taking partials. Green is green.
I mean, Palm, if you look at the stream right now, the one on the left is yesterday's. The one on this is today's.
Oh wow.
Gotcha.
Your point of control is.
My POC just. Never mind. Sorry, I just switched my chart. No, it did flip down. We're good. Sorry. I need the caffeine.
Get the 200 milligrams in there. Go ahead.
Got my quota.
Get the shakes.
Yeah.
Get the shakes going. All right. If we can get below this high volume node here, I still don't like it because there's so much. This is a wide distribution here between 860 and 780.
I don't know if you call this consolidation. I'll be honest. This is not. Yeah, okay, this is interesting. If it tests overnight highs to reject off of it, that's a wick test right there.
Mars, that's what I do literally every day. I'll sit in front of my computer and be like, oh, well, the log looks good here. And then I'll watch it, and then it'll play out perfectly. I'll be like, well, should have taken it.
I mean, it's better than taking a loss.
But the problem is that the trade I do take is a loss.
Because you get a little bit of FOMO because you've been calling them.
Kind of, yeah.
I do that. That's what happens to me. I'll look, and then I take the poor entry.
Yeah. That was me yesterday. I was just rushing my entries instead of, like, I think I sent it in the chat. There were 3 beautiful tests of the open yesterday. I took 0. I took none of them. And there were 3, like, easy money. I think the most drawdown on any one was, like, 4 points, and it would have immediately paid for a full target. I took 0. So my execution yesterday was just not where it needed to be.
Palm's sound just got fixed.
Yeah, you leaned into the mic.
Okay, so I just gotta, like, sit like this, I guess. Just hunched over.
You just got to get a boom. Just get yourself a boom attached.
Yeah.
Then you can be like Rogan.
I mean, I use boom.
Yeah, I'm not opposed to it. I just gotta buy one.
Go low profile though if you're gonna do it. Don't get one of these ones that hangs up in front of your camera.
Yeah. Weird flex.
Oh, it wasn't a flex.
Right back.
I didn't anticipate it being a flex at all. Sorry.
Today's stream is it's on.
Tossy.
It's been a few weeks, boys. It's kind of good to be back, you know.
It's edgy, as the hipsters say.
I've just been trading by myself for the most part for the last couple weeks. Palm just leaves.
Yeah, he just leaves.
I look over, there's nobody there.
I flexed him out there with the whole mic.
Booms aren't expensive at all. I mean, I think I spent I don't know, $40 maybe on mine.
And what's not expensive?
What's that?
When you buy something like this from like 2000, I'm not sure.
I know you got the 1980s, the 1980s Walkman headphones in your ears right now.
It's a Bose, okay?
It is Bose, okay. I mean, there's a flex. There's a flex, Phoenix. That was a flex.
I used to take these flying all the time because they have noise canceling, and it's awesome. And they're in ear, so when I'd go to Europe a lot, when you fall asleep, it's not like headphones over your ears. It's having the in-ear thing. Man, it changed my travel.
I know I've been having a lot of people reach out to me saying how much they miss the live streams, and I'm like,
But it's not helping your channel.
no, it's not. It's not at all. It's not. It's actually hurting it. Because there's the the live streams don't get like comments on the videos, and they want like YouTube in order, their algorithm wants to see like engagement with the videos.
Yeah.
Eventually the live streams will be fine. They just need more viewers. In fact, I don't even know how many viewers we have. I haven't looked at all today. Let's see. Same 20 people.
Yeah.
You know?
Hey, what? If we get to 18, we're blowing through. Just don't know if we will. Here we go. I went short at a shitty entry. I had some slippage. At 27, I'm break even now. It may come off a VWAP here and just bounce.
No, Sanders, I'm not saying go back and put comments on all the old videos. Because they've already killed sending those out to new people.
Still in the short. I'm gonna put my target down at IBL. I think we get that far down. I'm in 1 minute. 27.75. It's a really bad entry.
I think we go even lower.
Yeah, it was a really bad entry, but I'm loving it right now. Break even. And it could conceivably come all the way back, but I think it's got a target in mind. It's IBL for sure.
Yeah, motivation. I feel your pain. Well, would I have been stopped out? Oh yeah, that definitely would have came back all the way on me almost. It would have got within 4 points of my entry, within 3 points of my entry on this pullback.
Wish I'd have been micros. I'd have taken some off by now. I'm in 1 mini. If it gets to 10 points, I'm out. I'll take a 10-point profit. So my stop is at 10 points now.
I'll let it go. Let it ride.
Yeah, you know what? I'll move it back up to break even. It is what it is. I'm already made my goal for the day.
Let it ride.
Okay, so I've got it. I've got my take profit at 790, which is IBL. It may failure swing it, but I think eventually it'll come to it.
I mean,
unless you think it goes.
I would just watch that vaunted 770 level.
Oh my god, I know. I'm still going to give myself 10 points here. I don't want this to run all the way back and not. It went too far. It may just come back.
End up doing what I did and let it come back 50 points on you.
Yeah, I mean, I'll take the 10 points. Yeah, there I am. I'm out. Well, but I got 10 points, so. But man, that was that would have been a good one. That was 20 points anyway. Where I got in 27.75. What did it come down to? Oh, yeah, 25 points. But watch it retrace. Shoot. Yeah, okay, Kevin. That makes, yeah. Dang it. You know what? I mean, I can't complain. Green is green.
Kev's got an indicator somewhere on one of his time frame charts that he's got up at every price.
There's like a dozen up at one time. I can't. His brain works a lot quicker than mine.
Mine too. Mine too. I was talking with Goose yesterday, and he was saying how he was trading a 15-second chart to scalp, and I was just like, ugh, how does your brain operate? I can't compute information quickly enough. I just can't do it.
You know, this just did me nasty. Took me out at 10 points.
Hey, join the club. All that talk, that's what you get. All that talk. Karma.
Yeah, man.
Karma.
Karma. That was
Immediate
so
karma.
You could have waited. Oh, shoot.
That's what you get for running that mouth, Dave.
Max 7 Semitic. Yeah, okay. And this puppy is downtown.
Yeah, I don't mind it. In fact,
I mean,
if we
this
come
little
back up
uptick-
to 820, 840, at mid 830s and reject, I will probably try another short.
well, it's going to because it left IBL right there. I mean, that's too suspect. I might re-enter.
I'm not going to do it here. I'm going to wait for a little higher.
Yeah, I agree with that. Oh, this is a nice wick test right here, but it's going to come up and eat that on a 15 minute. It's gonna eat that. Oh man. Well, I'm not so unhappy with my 10 points now. Because it would have just taken me out break even right there. Huh, see? My 10 points.
Okay, what do we got here? Come a little bit higher.
We are back.
Palmetto
Yes.
ASMR is back.
Yes, Mason, the 820 bounce was disgusting earlier. It was absolutely atrocious.
Ooh, the short off the overnight highs on the reclaim pig, though. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, I got in late. I took it at 20. It just would have bounced me out right now. I took a short at 27.75, and I put my stop down at 10 points. It came back and got me out. It could have been a 25 pointer, but
Gotcha. Wes,
And
you
then
ever
this-
experiment with footprint charts?
What's that?
Have you ever experiment with footprint charts?
No, not really.
Dave, have you?
no, I haven't. I've not gotten there yet.
Okay, just curious.
I mean, there's people that obviously live by those things, do really,
Yeah.
really well.
Yeah,
mean-
I might look into them.
I mean, I have a combination footprint chart with the Dom and my candlesticks.
Yeah.
I should have taken that. He didn't get as high enough for me, though.
We've got the open at 795. I am very interested in that price.
Well,
This kinda looks like-
IBL.
To be fair, though, oh yeah, IB is set. You're right. Getting back below 820 here, though, like this big attempt to trade higher that's gotten stuffed all the way back down. Honestly, I think we have some downside if we're holding below 820. I mean, like IBL is the first stop, but I could see prior high at 744.5, and then overnight lows at 97.5, all being in play.
Honestly, if this can break below 795.50, I'm back. Retested. I'm mega short.
Yeah, 820 is just kind of my line in the sand for now.
That was part of my pre-plan execution plan.
Yeah, did you post a pre-market plan so that
I did. It was very skimpy.
Wes's quota is fulfilled and we get to another day?
Exactly.
I didn't even post a pre-market plan. I was too busy fixing OBS this morning to post one.
It
Banned.
just went red. Banned. Exactly. Ban hammer.
All right, guys. I am going to probably try a short here soon.
Off of what price?
I want it in the mid 830s, but I don't know that we're going to get there.
I'd be interested in taking short like 820.
I think we get there.
I don't know where that stop is though. I'm gonna move it up to like 822 half. Just because the stop is a little bit better there.
That's why I want mid 830s, because I can put it above 840 and be fine with just a few points. So I think I'm going to try a mini on this one.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
Time to size up.
Yep.
Yeehaw.
Actually, here, I tell you what. Let's do this. If I believe if I believe in this trade this much, I'm gonna scale in on micros.
7 minis, no stop.
7 minis. Yeah.
Only full leverage. Only max leverage.
No, my fund of futures has a scaling plan, but 10 micros equals 1 mini with them.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I'm short 1 micro.
21 minis. Oh, this could be good.
You might have just caught the right timing on that short. We couldn't even retrade 820 there and we're puking, so.
Yeah, I just went short.
Nice. Just pulled my
Gotta give it
order
more
out.
breathing room though.
I have point of control now down at 811.
Yeah, mine's right around there.
IBL and then overnight highs.
Oh yeah, Dave, this is setting up to be one of your favorite trades, the IBL front run.
It really is. Entry was a little bit more than I wanted it, but or lower than I wanted it. But this is I like what we're doing here. I mean, I really should have been patient for 795, but so I'm front running that a little bit.
Just not gonna get filled on any of these, I don't think.
This is going down.
I'm trying to really be pickier about my trades, dude. I'm trading 5 micros, and that's $7.10 round trip.
Yeah, that's
So
Yeah.
commissions yesterday, I paid as much in commissions as I did the actual just L I took on points.
a little brutal.
Extremely. So I'm trying to be a lot pickier about the trades I take. But at the same time, you got to put risk on to make anything, right?
Oh, 100%.
This is looking so cool.
Still haven't tagged the open.
There
That
we
looked
go.
like a little now.
All right, I'm not gonna
25.
go break even yet, but I'm pretty close
Alright.
to it. All right,
There's
break
the
even.
open.
You know what? I'm gonna go break even.
If we hold the open, boys, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to fade you. I love being around the open.
But that was really not what I loved watching it hold the open. But with IBL just 5 points below it.
ES just looks so heavy.
Here we
Yeah.
go. Here it comes.
We're back on the open. I'm still not taking anything. Doesn't
Boy,
look
that's so
clean enough yet.
Okay, minute and a half left on this candle. Here we go.
Free Fall Friday. Incoming.
I'm gonna go break.
As of
even.
right now, we've kind of had 2 trend days in one.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, I think
True,
we
it's
I
true.
think we finally puke this thing.
I'm gonna break even. Here we go.
Still struggling to take
let's
IBL.
see. Let's see what it does on IBL. I mean, it could just be a nasty wick, but let's see what it does.
MNQ got within a tick, 2 ticks maybe.
Well, ES is blowing to Asia lows now. We're going. NQ's coming down.
Oh,
We
it's
haven't even
over.
hit.
It's never been more over.
It's never been more over, he says.
I honestly am not going to touch this one now because to me this is going way down.
Yeah, I just don't have anything clear yet. We're kind of chopping the open at this point. I need to see a rotation away, and then I'll look for the retest.
I mean, I went break even. It may come up and pick me up, but I don't think so. I'm putting my stop. Way down. I don't have as good an entry as West, but
What do you mean? I'm at 809.
well, okay, I'm at 806.
Struggling to find any prices above the open is interesting.
Right? The way it's acting right now, it's not just going to swipe IBL, it's going to power through it now. I wish it would have done it 46 sir.
Dave with these call outs.
Let's go down. It's gonna power through it. That little.
Yeah, there it is.
Yep, there it is.
Dave with the call out.
And here comes overnight high.
All right, well, now we see what happens at IBL.
Yep. This is not just a sweep. This is a power through. Acting like it did back in September and October, I think.
Acting like it did back in 1988.
Come on, baby puke. Jeez, imagine if I didn't get that pump.
That's all right. Don't.
Look at this call out. Look at this.
Dave
Keep going.
Sniper call out. It is a puke. It's aggressive.
Yeah, it's puke.
40 points now.
It's a puke.
It's a puke. I'm still in. Gonna move it down now. Oh, IBL. I probably should take it off right now. I mean, I've got 45 points.
Oh,
50
no.
points. Oh, it just took me out at 50. Oh,
This
I didn't-
sounds like gambling.
it does. I was at 52 points.
Audio only. It sounds like we're on a slot machine.
Well, that was a 52-point trade. I
Nice,
didn't lose.
awesome.
Take profit. Down
Puke,
the
baby, puke.
Wait, so you caught the sweep or not?
Me?
Oh yeah, I got in at 8. I got in at.
No, Wes,
806.
I know you're in.
I got in at 806, and it took me out at 754.
Puke, baby, puke.
That's a good trade. It's a great trade.
Oh, it's a great trade. I'm not complaining.
And Wes is over here holding till 0.
No, we're at the spot where I gotta decide.
I'm sorry, but you can talk about my commentary all you want.
No, you're good.
Let's
I'm
just
joking.
Let's just think if you held onto that micro from the top. You top ticked the.
Oh, yeah.
I know, Dave. I swear. I
Hey,
swear, bruh.
Somebody's got to be Nimkins.
You gotta do it in a British accent.
Right. Dude, this trade makes it. How many are you in, Wes?
One.
I can't see you. Oh, just one micro?
Yeah.
Yeah, but imagine 21 minis no stop.
Yeah. Look at this. God, it's a thing of beauty.
We're gonna go for a $200 trade with one micro.
Golf club. I have not gotten an entry on any of this. Like, we didn't get far enough below the open for me to consider the retest to get
Okay,
short.
I don't like this bounce here at 720. I don't want that 80-point bounce again. ES isn't quite to the level yet that I'm wanting it to get to. I needed to get it to 6,047, so 4 points lower. NQ starting to recover. Come on, get one more surge down.
What a flippin' trade.
I think this is gonna bounce.
Yeah, we're currently sitting on prior high, yesterday's high. Oh, just right below it.
I was hoping it would just puke right through it.
It goes.
I haven't retested it though, so I don't have an entry here yet.
I'd just be careful around midnight open here at 718.
Guys, I'm gonna kill that.
It would go to a funeral and say, "Imagine if he was still alive." That's crazy.
All right,
That's insane.
I killed my trade. I'm up $193 on one micro today.
Good job. Very nice, very nice.
Very nice. Way to go. I had one mini on that trade.
I am also short.
Dave would go to a funeral and say, "Imagine if he was still alive."
Yeah, that's so funny.
That was a good one.
What is this?
That is funny.
I saw it. If I can find it again, I'll send it. I saw a great meme. Two guys are golfing, and there's a funeral procession going by, and the one guy goes, "Oh, it's nice of you to pause As respect for the funeral procession going by the other color. Well, we were married for 35 years.
Yikes. Yikes.
All right, that was a decent kill.
I'm short 45 prior high, looking for like the 10-point slap off of it. Don't know if we get that. It looks a little bit-
Yeah, I don't like it. I would kill it.
It bounced perfectly off of London lows.
Got tight
Seriously.
stops,
I mean, that was a perfect bounce off of it. We'll go back up for a little bit now.
Yeah, there should be a retrace of that puke a little bit.
Although Asia, I mean, ES today ES was the leader. If you watched it, it would have given you a good idea for the EQ trade.
Yes, Paul. Get it, Paul.
We'll see. It's definitely a lot of activity happening here.
I know. I don't necessarily love getting involved in this.
Oh,
It's a coin flip on the burst, one way or the other.
I'd like to see us come back to overnight highs.
Yeah, I got stopped out. I stand by that trade. Tight risk, and it's exactly what I'm looking for. It's just a break and retest. And I'm not willing to give it more than the amount that I gave it. I would have gotten full stopped if I hadn't, so
Were micros or minis?
5 micros.
Okay. Jeez, if I was trading minis today, I would be slaying,
see, like, that was-
slaying it.
Oh yeah.
That was another, like, it got 8 points in the money for me, and then immediately came down. So same thing as yesterday. Exciting stuff.
Yeah, I think that those kind of entries are just kind of almost, not that they're FOMO entries, but the regret of missing out on the move entries. Like, oh, I just watched 200 points of pukage. Now I need to kind of get some of it.
Motivation, are you going for a
For
long?
you're saying for that trade specifically, I disagree. That's an area I want to be involved at.
That's
this area
I
in
agree with
In
you.
the 740s.
Yeah, specifically because we traded under yesterday's high, and then we're coming up to retest it. So to me, that
okay.
looks like a decent
I got
area
you.
for continuation.
I got you.
For me right now, if this blows through overnight highs, I like IBL rejection. The right here is a key point. This overnight high. Is it rejected?
Yeah, I'm interested in
Or,
IBL.
I'm sorry, yesterday's high. Yesterday's high.
You flip
It's-
over to my.
Yeah, I'm interested. I would have taken a dang it. I would have taken the short there. I'm not saying it lasts. That would just been a 10-point scalp.
I would love for us to retrade IBL. I don't know if it's gonna happen.
Yeah, I don't know if that would happen.
This
Well-
prior wick gets 75 half as well.
I'm happy I killed my short.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
You got the waterfall you were looking for.
I know. Can you imagine
Seriously.
had I held the 1? I mean, that would have been a 200-point trade almost.
Well, fortune favors the bold, I guess.
Dave.
That's an ad. Oh wait, wasn't that like crypto.com ad?
Dave.
Yeah, it was.
Dave. Just rubbing salt in wounds today.
Again, Nims is not here, so
Yeah, someone's gotta take it up.
exactly. Gotta pick up the
Right,
slack.
there's the prior wick trading here. Oh no, it didn't read it.
Yep.
Curious to see what happens there if we reject that. I'd like to see IBL.
I really would too.
Where's IBL at?
MNQ, I have it at 790.
It's the same
Might
spot
be half
in Q,
quarters,
same
something like
spot.
that. Gotcha.
Dang, Wes, your levels are kind of playing a little bit too. Look at that. I just looked and noticed that. Dang.
Wes's levels always play. Wes's levels are. How do you think the market makers get involved? They take a look at the trade plan.
Exactly. I'm surprised the SEC isn't watching him his Discord on his trade.
All this
It
insider
is.
information. Wes is the algorithm. He is the central algo.
I'm not
Host in the-
the. I am
Ghost in
not the.
machine.
I don't think I'm the only one that has these levels on their charts, or the only one that
Yeah.
sees them.
Pelosi has him too.
Pelosi.
Forgot about that.
Ooh, nice
Ooh,
smack.
This is nice.
Heavy.
Right off of overnight high or yesterday's highs. Oh, I kind of did what you did, Paul. I analyzed it, but didn't pull the trigger.
Where's Nims?
Oh, that
Tenor.
prior wick.
Tenor
Yeah, prior wick
Nims is taking a break
Yeah.
money trade.
from trading overall.
It's a nice slap.
I wish I'd have I debated.
I have
it.
an order at 44.5. That prior, the level I was interested in, prior high.
That was
Curious to see what happens when we trade that if we bounce it.
oh, God.
Just keep puking in Q. Come back into levels that we all know and love, and not all-time high trading.
The key level.
We're came up into it, kind of tested it there.
Long from 44.5.
I don't know, man. ES is puking.
Every
Yeah.
trade I've taken today, the peanut gallery's been like fucking terrible.
Yeah.
Fucking atrocious.
I just don't like this area with where ES is. ES has a little more room to come down.
Yeah, that's fine. Makes sense.
Oh shoot! Shall we? You stay high.
Just give him his 10 points in Q. Come
Yeah,
on.
give him his 10
I'm
points.
Just,
looking
just.
15.
He's getting
Good
greedy.
plan.
He's
Oh,
getting
sure.
greedy.
I'm looking for the run all the way back up to the highs,
He's getting
actually.
greedy. All the way back up to the highs, huh?
There you go.
Give him
There
his
it
10
is.
points.
Come on.
Guys, I'm up 4 points. Chill.
Give him his 10 points.
No, I think it slaps through. We're back under prior high, so
Oh, come on.
I assume
time.
we'll stop out. All right, stopped out. It'd be like that. So in total right now, I'm down 117.
Oh, that's not
Yeah.
bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah, no, I didn't say it was.
It's decent. That's
Yeah,
recoverable. for
117.
sure.
To do the math in my head.
I mean, 5 macros. It's
I mean, you're explaining
Yeah.
every trade well, so I can't tell you that you're doing anything wrong, Palm. You know, I mean,
Yeah, I'm just taking
the
losses.
logic is actually
like that.
really sound.
Thanks.
Yours always is. I mean, yeah. It's-
Yeah, we'll
It's
see.
the first time since the first time I saw you do that, a different stream. It's like, wow. It's like,
Oh, the spec trade.
just with the spectator trade thing. Yeah, I mean, it
Yeah,
was,
dude, that IBL short is sick.
I just when you watch
There
what
was
ES was
like
doing it,
There was like a 3-month period. I mean, that makes sense. It's a quarter. There's like a 3-month period where the IBL, specifically the IBL break and retest, was just money every time.
every time.
It was
Every
around
time.
that period. It's like last year. It was a pretty like big rejection. of
yeah,
720.
that was a
It was
nasty
kind of-
sweep of the lows and the recovery there.
Wowza. I think we might be in chop for a while after this with this new hour count.
We could. What are we coming up on? 11 o'clock?
I mean, that was a big move.
So do you guys always, Dave, I know you live in Central Standard Time. Palm, do you reference time by CME hours or do you reference time Eastern Standard?
No, I go by Eastern.
Okay.
I mean, when I talk to you guys, I always do Eastern, but I'm referenced by CME Central.
It's very kind of you.
Well, I lived in Boston.
I
for
know. I
16
always
years.
feel the need. Anytime I'm putting a time for anything, I always feel the need to put EST after after it
Yeah.
when you're talking in the trading world.
Yeah, I mean, because there's a lot of people from a lot of different places. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean we're worldwide, baby. Worldwide.
We should be referencing Greenwich Mean Time then, shouldn't we?
What the-
what is that? Is that Nemo's
GMT,
time?
man. GMT.
Is that Nemo's time zone?
That's Nima's. That's Nima. Yep.
I'd be interested in the short if we got back to 44 half. I would take that in order for it.
Down to 640, Kev. I like it. I like even lower.
Yeah, we might just cap fill this. Wow,
I like
wow.
even lower.
Almost down to- We're already
I
there.
don't think I'm getting filled on that.
I mean, at this point, with how heavy we are, I'm eyeing this 540 level, 520 to 540. Jeez, why do I say that? I was short from just below 900. Can you imagine? Don't even, Dave. I swear, I swear, you say anything right now.
You said it for me. I'm good.
Oh man.
Looking at the overnight lows.
I was gonna wait for the new hour candle to open, but I think
Free
it's gonna do it
free
now.
fall Friday, boys. Free fall Friday.
I guess we're just gonna do it now. Dang it. Here come
All right.
overnight lows.
We're coming into the possible bounce level. Actually, we kind of are bouncing the level on ES.
We didn't get IBL. Sad.
Yeah, I know it.
That untested wick at 70 to 75 was almost zero drawdown. It's like two
Well,
ticks of drawdown.
Palm, you got to go into the office today?
I do.
Okay.
But I mean, I'm good for another like hour at least.
Okay.
So whatever you want to call it, it's up to you.
I mean, I'm having a good time. I don't know about you guys. I'm
No, me
fine.
too.
Oh heck yeah.
I'm chill.
As long as Dave shuts his yap, we can
Yeah.
we'll be fine.
Are we back at the key level? The key level?
This is just. Wow, look at this. Beautiful.
Surely we stop at the overnight lows, right?
Thing of beauty.
Surely there's no way we continue selling off below the
I think
overnight
this
lows,
thing's
right?
gonna fill the gap on
I
the
think we
last 2
puke.
minutes left.
We haven't had
We're
any.
gonna fill this-
We haven't had zero pullback in this up move, really. Like all week long.
We are going to fill the gap. I was just hoping we wouldn't do it on this hour candle. We'd wait till the next one.
Later, Phoenix.
But I think we're gonna do it. Unfortunately, now.
Yeah, DJ, I agree. I mean, having people to bounce ideas off of and voice, for sure. Maybe somebody's seeing something that you aren't.
Okay, not to be. I mean, this is a genuine curiosity question. Where did you get in on that first micro OS? Is that an
On
8,
my
9? 902? Oh my gosh.
Palm, I think we need to mute this guy.
Hey man, he's going after you, not me.
I think we might need to mute this guy.
Oh my
Did we
god,
sweep
it's
the overnight low, or was this to the
a
tip?
200-point trade. That's amazing. You had that. Wow.
Yo, course one, course one.
Of course.
We're trying to get through the overnight low. It's not going anywhere.
Well, we just hit it.
Yeah.
This will be the consolidation area if we are
Yeah,
going to
okay.
consolidate.
They're gonna border.
Oh, there it goes. It's going to close this gap before the. Oh, this is just amazing. All right, now if it closes the gap,
I'm going to have to listen to Dave talk all day. All because of an 80-point bounce back up from right to my entry.
It's totally the last time I'm going to mention it in the next 5 minutes.
The next 5 minutes. Yeah, you got a 5-minute break.
That's it.
Wow.
After the stream, I'm not trading anymore today. That's it.
Closed the, wicked the gap.
Guys, look at my heat map on the stream. Look at all this red.
Yeah, that's what I was selling.
Oh, we finally have
Some
buyers.
Of overnight lows.
Finally have
See
some
what it
buyers
does.
showing up. Just
Alright,
above
got
680.
11 and a half points there on the back test of overnight lows.
Nice.
Nice.
That brings me to
great
yeah,
trade.
still red. See, this is where I'm like, yeah, I gotta figure something out. Micros is not the move. I've paid as much, again, same as yesterday, I've paid as much in commission right now as I have the actual like point loss on the day. Just because it's so expensive round trip.
Yeah, with that many micros, for sure it is.
I'm down 100, but points wise, I'm only down $56.
Right. Well,
All right, well,
That's
time
even-
to sling 2 minis.
it's the same thing on Top Step X. If I sling 10 micros, it's 740 because they don't do the commissions; it's just the
Oh,
fees.
that's-
But if I do one
yeah.
mini, it's 280. Might as well just do minis.
You might as well do 5 minis, I mean, just 1 point pays for it all.
And I was doing the micros because I was kind of experimenting with scaling in and out. But now I'm
Yeah,
realizing
imagine
that's,
Wes was short, put 21 minis.
oh my god.
That'll never happen. But that entry was very, very good.
If we close here on the 15-minute, I like us bouncing.
That entry was very, very good. I mean, we're talking
Was it?
200 plus points right now.
That was a once-in-a-year entry.
Once in a
Oh
year.
my god, man.
Wow. That was impressive.
Oh my
I
god.
couldn't even wait the 5 minutes. Sorry.
Wow. Wow, this guy.
Rub it in.
This
Sorry.
guy.
Sorry about that, man. I know how bad that feels.
That was funny.
Oh,
Dave, do it again. No, I'm kidding.
I can't, man. I can't.
I swear.
I can't do it.
Trading with the boys is just gonna be trading with them.
It is.
We're axed. We're gone.
It's gone. It's done. Ollie.
Oh, come on, man. What's going on here? Like, when did I become under the fire? Jeez. Jeez.
Well, this is nasty. Not okay. Come on. Get down. Close that gap. That was a nice short though, Palm. The overnight low. A nice level.
Yeah, it paid. Thanks.
Yeah.
It paid.
It was really nice.
Didn't pay my fees, but
Yeah. Clawed a little back, maybe.
yeah.
They never listen. I love it. Well, I think it's consolidation time now. That
Yeah.
was a big move.
Manipulation's over. It's distribution time.
No, we just had the distribution.
Oh, I actually have no clue what any of those mean. Like, I just know the phrase, but I don't know what they actually mean.
Consolidation, expansion, or
Right.
distribute. Yeah.
I know those, but I don't know like the ITT terminology.
Oh yeah. Well, it's. I mean, you've got to sit through hours and hours of ranting to get it.
Oh, very good. That's what I'll do with my weekend.
Listen to somebody rant on
Yeah.
YouTube.
What does he rant about? I hear that he rants because people talk about it, but like, what does he actually talk about?
Wait, everything. Other traders. You know, the conspiracies, this, conspiracy that.
Conspiracies?
Stuff. Oh my god. Oh yeah, big time.
Wow, that's crazy.
If you're missing out on your conspiracy fix, just listen to that for a little bit.
That's insane.
Kinda wanna try. Nope, I don't want to try.
Not right now. I'm not touching any of this.
I was gonna take the 80 bounce here and target 710.
I'm hands off for a little bit until we
Yeah.
stop moving 15 points every 5 seconds.
We're gonna. Be I
Yeah.
A
think.
little aggressive for me.
I mean, the 80 bounce on up. I think we will manipulate up just after through this consolidation, and we are expanding down again. This is not.
What makes
coming
it
back.
manipulation? Like
Uh,
what makes it manipulation? As opposed to, like, buyers stepping in and
Yes.
defending their position.
Yes.
It's the fake. It's 100% the fake out move. Watch it. You'll see it all the time. It's trapping. Say you're looking for you think it bottomed here, and we're going to consolidate a little bit, and you're going to look say, oh yeah, it starts to go up. You think, oh, it's reversing. Well, then they're just trapping those guys that bought just to hold the rug on them to go back down short. That's the manipulation part.
You're telling me
Thank you, Ollie.
Haftua is
Thank
in the
you.
market, manipulating my NQ market.
100%. Ollie's
You know
got
who
it.
that is?
Thank you, Ollie.
No question, Davey's the market maker. Dave, do you know who Haftua is?
Oh yeah. Oh, of course, yeah.
Nice. Okay. Very good.
I do. I did the crypto rug pull.
Yeah, you know, I was gonna ask about that. I actually don't know much about it. I just know she rug pulled, which
I mean,
tells me
it
everything
all
I need to
happened
know.
on one night. I mean, they introduced it. I
Just
don't know,
one
this-
night.
I mean, they made millions in a matter of hours.
Yeah, they're going to
It was
jail.
One night. That's
Oh, yeah.
crazy.
They're going to jail.
Yeah, I mean, podcast name
Yeah.
is goddamn. Haftua. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna get that on a hoodie. Oh, that actually reminds me. I need to look at this.
I'm not sure you want to get that on the hood. Just gonna put
I'm
it
gonna
up.
get it tatted on my chest.
There's some big orders getting into the market today, boys.
I don't even know what the VIX is doing today. I don't think it matters.
Check that later. I still have one Christmas gift to order. Just one.
Yeah, DJ. I mean, roll over. Yeah, people are readjusting.
This thing.
All right. This.
Puking underneath the overnight lows too. That's insane.
Yeah, right. I mean, it was a great entry though to take, and then just at a small risk on it, like you did. That was brilliant. Worked twice.
DJ's asking you a question, Palm.
Yeah, I'm down. I don't know what time I'll be on, but I'm down. I'll tag you in Discord. Are these all comfort culture? Bet.
Yeah, I like that.
These are not the same brand.
Yeah, Ollie, the Lions have been the Vegas favorite for a while. For a
They're the team.
for like a month.
I think it's going to be them and the Bills. The Super Bowl.
I hope it's them and the Bills. That would make my year. I don't even
with
care
like-
who wins. I'm so okay with either of them winning. I think they're both great teams. I just don't want the Chiefs in the Super Bowl. Sorry, Dave.
Yeah, honestly, without the refs help, the Chiefs are out in the first round. I mean, the way they're playing, it's just,
Yeah, we'll see
Facts.
how the playoffs go.
Facts.
We'll see how the
Facts.
playoffs go. I'm very curious because there's a lot of good teams going to the playoffs. I'm curious to see who's actually going to keep that momentum.
I mean, Chiefs will get a first round bye the way they're going, but still, whenever they play, they're out. I don't care if it's at Arrowhead. I was there that night. Arrowhead set the sound record for a stadium. Holy cow, my ears.
That's
And then
wild.
I followed that up 3 days later with going to an AC/DC concert. I couldn't hear for a month. It was
Wow.
brutal.
Sounds like a fun time though. Having a
was a
good
good time.
motivation.
Yeah, see, motivation. That's amazing. My gosh, there's green showing up here. What is that? Haven't seen that in a while.
Are you? Oh, Wes's long. What?
Mhm.
Are you watching Wes's book map, or are you watching your own?
I'm out.
Did you grab 10 points there?
5.
Wow, that was sneaky quiet.
I told you I was looking at the 80 long. I probably
That's
should have
what this is.
held.
That's how he does this, Palm.
I probably should have
Uses-
held.
He uses
Right.
this as liquidity.
I
That goes
heard
in.
the refs are gonna change the black stripes to red. That's so good. That's so good.
Later
Sneaky
motivation.
zeros.
Enjoy working on your car. Yeah, I probably should have held this.
Those darn zebras.
I'm not
Ta-
gonna talk. I'm not talking to you about whether you should hold or not anymore.
Yeah, I don't want you to.
I gave,
I don't want you to.
I gave you my advice 20 minutes after the fact. So
Look at this. Watch this, Dave. Full trade.
oh, look at that.
Watch this, Dave.
So did you take that because it was rejecting below the bottom of your zone? So you got long the bottom of your zone, took it to the other side, or
Yeah, so what I was looking for was the quick sweep below. Wick and reclaim,
Yeah.
basically, is what we're
Yeah,
looking
we
at.
can replay it,
yeah, understandable.
And a little bit of relief from all this selling. I wasn't going to look for much. I was just going to look for 710.
Yeah.
Because I do
Well.
think we eventually puke again, but
Yeah, well, there's no question because it's manipulating up right now from this this expansion down. So good.
We
Holy
are
cow, that was-
smack in the middle of the range, for what it's worth.
Yeah.
Oh, why did this not come over my 30-minute limit? Oh my god, what a wave.
I'm supposed to play golf today, and it's 24 degrees right now.
What?
It's supposed to be up to 47, but I
Yikes.
don't.
Crazy.
I'm
They
not
let
sure I'm gonna.
they let you on the grass below freezing?
No, they won't.
I was about to say.
And, I'm not sure I'm gonna.
I thought I was about to say I thought golf courses didn't let you on if there was any kind of like frost or
No.
anything on the course.
No, they. Oh, look at this now. No, they won't. But even then, I don't play under 40, and typically 45 degrees. So.
Yeah, because your hands will just freeze.
Ollie, I swear, Ollie,
Gloves.
you're asking for it, bro. You're asking for it, bro.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna try to get to the range this weekend. See if it works out. It's supposed to be really cold here too. It's like the high is like 34.
Yeah, see, I don't wear. I used to, but I don't do it anymore because I got tired of messing with them. Because I don't wear golf gloves. I kind of Freddie couple it and just work, no glove. But I got grips that get real tacky when it gets humid out and your hands
Yeah.
sweat. The grips then get real tacky. They're leather. They're beautiful. I love how they. So,
Yeah, I gave myself like a nice, like chafing sore from the range last weekend.
yeah.
No gloves.
Well, that was the other thing with the gloves. It would give me, blisters here on the fingers where you would lock your grip and I just.
Oh well, I wasn't wearing gloves and I got that, so I was thinking
Oh,
gloves
really?
might help it. Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
maybe it's just the way I'm swinging. It's probably correct. So,
The-
forwards gripping.
If
Yeah,
you
it's
gotta
like
make
it's
sure you have a
right where
looser
my
grip.
fingers-
Make sure you have a
okay.
looser grip.
It's,
know, you
it's
don't wanna
right where
try
my
to-
fingers are locked.
Later,
so it's
Ollie.
from
Enjoy
this
your
right
weekend.
position.
Just want to hold on to that. Just hold on to the club a little looser, maybe. See what happens.
Okay.
Don't grip it so tight.
Porch, I swear, man, I am under attack today.
Yeah, Wes is getting cooked in the chat today. It's crazy.
That's awesome.
You don't stream for
Salty.
2 weeks and you come back to this? You kidding me?
Pretty salty. Pretty salty. I like it. Pretty salty.
Not gonna get this though.
I'm not touching this right
I mean, I'm up $300 today, and I'm getting roasted for it.
Hey man, I'm not roasting you. I think you did a great job. I don't blame you for killing that first micro where you did. I think the smarter play there would have just been to flat out take it off at 820. But I don't blame you for killing it either.
Yeah, and if I wasn't going to kill it, it should have just been adding into it on the pullback. But
Yeah, that too. Like if you had a bias to be short, which is always
Yeah.
dangerous, but like if you had a bias to be short, then yes, I agree.
yeah, it was dumb to let it run back that far. I should have just locked in my, what did I have? 80 points initially. Should have just locked it in and then re-entered if I still liked it higher, is what I should have
Yeah, I
done.
agree.
But
Yeah.
so I mismanaged the trade, but it's okay.
Your word's not
Which
mine.
I've noticed is a lot easier to do when you're on stream. It's very easy to
Yeah.
zone out, lose
Yeah.
focus for a second and then miss something obvious.
Yeah, there's a lot going on when you're live. 100%. I think that's why Matt did, and he's done it very, very well, was adjusting to just scalping instead of holding trades. There's the
Yeah.
710 that I was looking for initially.
Well, you also notice that like when I don't know if you like hang out in good games in the chat, but a lot of times when he cuts the stream because he's not seeing something or he's like, this is like not movement I like 10 minutes later he'll come back and be like, all right, I'm done for the day, because he cut the stream off and you can just kind of zone in and focus a little bit better.
Yeah.
And find the trade that you're actually looking for without like the pressure of a camera on you, which I totally get.
I think he did the smart thing, not only for the copy trading, but just targeting 10 points. Like 10 points, if you're patient, is fairly easy to catch for the most part.
Big if,
You know?
big if as I'm learning. Big if.
I mean,
Yeah, I
you
get
just have to be extremely patient and wait for the A+ setup, you know?
Yeah.
Whereas, you know, some of your setups that you take, I'm sure you consider B setups, C setups, and you take them anyway just to give them a shot because you think they're worth a shot.
Yeah.
I'm guilty of it as well, 100%. You know, there should never be a day where we take more than 5 trades. Let's put it that way. There should never be any day where any of us take more than Dave. This goes directly at you, brother.
I was waiting for it.
There
It's
should
true.
never be a day where we take. Man, look at this. Dave, if you say a thing about this long entry right now, I will end the stream.
I'd be interested in the short on 44 quarters.
If you say a thing about this long entry, Dave.
No, I'll just say that my entry at 680 was awesome. I'm still hanging on.
Yeah, there goes another 50 points.
Wes, this is.
It's
hey,
volatile
listen,
today, man.
if you like price action, today's the day.
We're sitting on 241 points of range. Like we've moved a decent amount.
Sanders, I swear, what is going? Why am I getting roasted today? Absolutely roasted.
Because we didn't take the entries you took. That's why, and we're jealous of it. I'm going to tell you that right now.
I wonder if we're going back to the open. That'd be pretty dirty.
770, I can see that key level that this market seems to
very
love so much.
The key
Yeah,
level, not just
seven,
any.
well,
The
I mean,
key
seven.
level.
Honestly, 772 is yesterday's high.
So what do you got here, Dave? You got a negative order block coming up here from 740 to 780
Here's the deal.
on the 5 minute.
Off
It's
the base.
almost. I'm telling you, this is a reversal now. We're not in consolidation. This just turned into a retracement or a reversal. I'm thinking retracement, but because reversal's a long way to go. So, because it didn't consolidate on the 15-minute, there was zero consolidation. That if you look on this candle here, it just turned right straight up. So, if it closes this fair value gap on the 15-minute, which it looks like it's going to, well, it's 10 minutes left on it. But, and then what I'd like to see is it create another one, and then I'm in for longs. The 5 minutes doing the work right now for it, actually. Let's see what the 5 minute does here.
You know, I usually don't ever hope for losses to anybody, but Dave, today.
Oh my god. Ouch.
Listen, midnight open right now to me is a point that it's already passed. I'm looking for, and I know people like, oh, premium and discount on midnight open, but I would look for a long open. I gotta tell you, I'm kind of looking at longs here. It's got to go up a little more. Now, once it gets to 772, I would be scared, a little sketchy.
Go ahead, buy that top. Do it.
Oh, I'm
Buy that top.
You know what? Just because you said what you said.
No, I think you can at least get I think you at least get 770 from here.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little bit of room to breathe, which is gonna be that.
I mean, it might be whippy.
Yeah,
I mean, you might get wicked out, but
yeah, I'm about to get it out. Okay, I'm out there, but that's okay. I only gave it like 5 points. So.
haha,
Right here,
I baited you into it.
you absolutely did. But honestly, well, that's because I'm up like $1,400. But honestly, I think right here.
Wow, what a flex there. Did he just say he's up $1,400, Palm? What a flex.
Wait. Are you actually?
Well, it's 12. Now I'm down to 1,000, but I was up a little bit there. Yeah.
What happened to 300?
Yeah.
I had that 500. I had that 50-point trade.
Remember when he hit
short.
like 300 in profit?
Yeah.
I'm gonna lock myself out for the day. What
Yeah.
I couldn't resist that short.
happened?
David, he just can't help himself. He just can't.
See, this is.
I'd be interested in the
this
back
is
test
interesting
of
right here.
overnight low, but I don't think we get down there.
Yeah.
I wanted a short from 745 prior high, but we also didn't get there.
Okay, so really, I need to let this 15-minute candle play out, see what it does. Is this could if this can go back up?
I'll be right back,
Close
guys. I
the-
got to take a phone call real quick.
Oh,
If
good.
it comes back down, then we're back into consolidation. I should let this 15-minute. Got to be patient. Let it play out.
Yeah, there's not much else to do. It's in between two of my levels here. I don't really have a way to execute this. So.
Yeah, there's nothing to do here.
Either trades overnight low and I look for the bounce, or we trade up into prior high and I look for the short. I'm interested in both.
Yep. Yeah, see, I like that, Kevin. I think 760 is a good place for it to go to. Let's see.
Even like 710, that prior wick, I don't hate. It's just a little aggressive for me to get in because we're moving so much.
Yeah, it's getting whippy now. And that was, I mean, no way I should have done that entry, but it was okay. I didn't get 5 points.
Trying to like look back and see if I'm missing anything obvious, like any obvious opportunities or anything.
I don't know.
I don't
I mean,
think so.
honestly, on the 15-minute, this has got more room to go down. There's a target down here, a draw. I would say at 615. I'm gonna kind of be honest about that. Look at what this 15-minute does, because it may just whip around a little bit, but I think ultimately it goes down to punch that 615.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. On the higher time frame, like as far as the profile of the consolidation period that we're in right now, we have wicked and reclaimed point of control, which is at 675, just as a heads up.
Okay.
So if there's any spot that buyers are going to step in, it's between this area right below the overnight lows and point of control, in my opinion.
Yeah. See what you're saying.
As of right now, buyers are defending it, so that's why I'm interested in the overnight low long.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, Right now, I'm talking about two obviously completely different scenarios where I see it drawn down low. But let's see what structure does here.
And I'm not gonna get the long. Did it trade the wick? It did to the tick, bro.
Oh, dude.
It was just
You
too
might get it.
aggressive for me to take because overnight low is 5 points below it. I was like, in my mind,
Yeah.
that 5 points goes really quick.
Yep. They did that wick to the tick.
What are you, Dr. Seuss now?
Wick
Get
to
him.
the tick.
Get him.
Man. Oh, I see what you did there.
I got about 10 minutes, guys. I got to go meet my mom for lunch.
Oh, nice. That's awesome.
Where are you going? Sandwich shop?
I don't know.
Yeah, come on,
We
man.
didn't
Ice cream
discuss
shop?
that.
You're right by your mom there. Let's not do Jimmy John's or something. Come on.
Oh, it won't be
It's
Jimmy
Jimmy
John's.
I love Jimmy John's. So I'm just saying, if you're gonna take your mom,
Although a sandwich shop does sound good.
if you got a nice deli or something. Yeah, I guess it was just manipulation up.
Alright, I have an order.
I mean,
Let's see if it fills. Alright, I am filled. See what
Ready for the long?
get the bounce or not. Yeah, filled long 98 half. Just looking for the 10-point bounce.
Get a 10
That
bounce for it. Come
hasn't
on.
happened.
Yeah,
Oh,
10-point
I gotta
bounce.
kill
Come
that.
on.
Hold on.
Come on.
I had to kill that. I forgot to switch
Oh.
around here.
it was a good kill.
It was a good kill, yeah. I was hoping for that.
Potentially, I mean, I had to kill it regardless because my comp here was set incorrect. All my evals just got put on double the size what they should have been.
Oh no.
That's not good.
Even better kill.
Yikes.
I almost went in at 18, dang it.
Well, I'm seeing that it rejected the bottom of that negative order block at, what is that?
Yep.
Like 735, 736, somewhere around there.
736, yeah, that's a good call. Yep.
Martin, I swear, bruh. Dude, the chat today, man. The chat
Just
today.
saying. It is. It's salty, man. It is.
Bro.
Chat is sporty today.
Well, Palmas giving you another opportunity at that same entry.
I'm still adjusting my comp here. Let's see if this is correct.
Kev, you're short from 900. You held through that?
Oh my god.
You held
It
through
is
that
giving me another
pullback?
opportunity.
Dude is
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, it's giving you another opportunity.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that if I get filled. I have my order at 94 though, so slightly below overnight lows.
Here's the thing. It's going to take time if it is going to materialize, because the move up will be slow at this point. That was some heavy selling off that 900 level.
Get in, Paul, because there's a 10-pointer right there, brother.
Nope, but it tested overnight low to the tick and is bouncing. I have my order below overnight lows.
All right, that long wick down 15 minute where it's closing here. It is not going to go back up. It's going to go further down. We're in for more melting. Just confirmed.
Why is Wes cracking up over here? What happened?
Dave.
He's laughing. He's laughing at me. Yeah, I should let that 15 minute do its thing before I said anything. It's gonna go down. Don't put that one out here just a second.
I gotta film a journal entry today as well at some point. Yeah, what do you guys think about the journal style video?
Like that.
Out of
I
curiosity.
mean, I'm writing my journal out here on my Remarkable, so.
I like it. Like you were saying, it's a good way to kind of differentiate and grow the channel. I like it.
We just got to try something different. We've kind of become like stale on the growth curve with the
Damn,
channel.
What a back test and then pump out of it is immediate. Yoinks.
Yoink.
I also think there's just a little more value there than just doing live streams. Because I sit there and I talk through my trades, like what I was thinking in real time. So I think like beginning traders will find more value there than they ever would in our joking live streams where we pick on each other all the time.
I would agree.
Do you record, like I know you're streaming this, do you record the stream and then take pieces out of that you talk over? Or do you have like, do you go back and like download the stream or something?
No, so like for shorts and different content?
Like the... Yeah.
Yeah, so
Are you just
what I do,
scrolling
I straight record the live streams, and then
Right.
I send the entire live stream over to Mason, and Mason chops it up and edits and does all that.
Gotcha. So it's just one giant file.
Yeah, it's one giant file that he's got.
How big is that?
I don't know what the
gigabyte
file
wise?
size is.
That's what I'm thinking about, because I'll probably my Mac Mini is like again the base model, so I only have 200 or how much storage do I have?
I'm shocked they
No.
wouldn't give you a terabyte in those things.
No, not a terabyte. It's Apple, bro. 256. Is
I
the
would just
solid
buy. What
state.
I would do is I would buy yourself an external SSD
That's what I was thinking.
and just route everything to your external SSD. It's like
Yeah, that was a thought.
because that'll chew up 256 gigs.
Yeah.
Like 5 videos, 6 videos will end up
Yeah.
chewing it up. What a bounce.
Well, that was a
Palm.
nice back test of the-
Palm.
I know,
This one's on you, bro.
Oh, I know. I missed it. Fully missed the boat. I was busy adjusting my copier.
Shoot.
It's alright, it happens. It
Yeah,
was a nice
this
back
was-
test though.
Next trade. Wow.
Although I don't know what I'm talking about. I should have taken it if I thought it was that good. Shoot, I was long from 680.
I'm not saying a thing.
You better not say a thing. Well, guys, I gotta roll, so we're probably gonna kill it there. Thanks for coming on.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thanks for coming on, fellas.
Oh, you're welcome.
I know it's been a couple weeks. Missed you guys. Missed you.
Yeah,
Missed you too, chat. We'll try to be a little more frequent as far as doing the live streams. They're just not going to be every day for the meantime. We've got to continue to grow somehow and experiment with other forms of content. Trading related still, but just other forms to see if they work better than the live streams do.
Mhm.
So yeah, guys, you got anything you want to say?
Nah, man.
Oh,
good stream. I had a fun time.
Great stream. Yeah. Thanks for having us back on.
Yeah.
Always appreciate it.
Yep,
And
obviously.
grab some lunch as well. And sit here and try to get out of my hole. It's not
And
a
I-
huge hole, but it is a hole.
Yeah.
Don't know if we're having a stream next week, but if we don't, Merry Christmas to everybody.
We'll do a Christmas stream. I'll try to persuade Nimkins to come on, and if he doesn't, I'll try to bring somebody else on as well.
Yeah, Christmas isn't next week. It's the week after.
Right. But
Yeah.
I'm just saying if we don't do it next week.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Oh,
for
that sounds
sure.
good.
I'll still
Well, I
be
am
trading
too.
that. I won't trade Christmas week probably, but I'll still be trading next week.
Would agree with that.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, enjoy the rest of your weekend, chat. We'll be hanging out in Discord. Well, I'm gonna go to lunch first, but I'll be hanging out in Discord this afternoon. So feel free to say hello. Thanks for tuning in, guys. we will we'll reconvene soon. Peace.
Have a good one.
Peace.